welcome back to Vintage Farmhouse Antiques on YouTube. This is a video we're going to demonstrate this Aynsley period teacup, saucer and side plate. We've got these trios in actually two variations, and this is the one with the larger 7.25 inch side plate, and I think it works very well because of the graduation on there. We've also got it with a smaller 6.25 inch as an option for Aynsley collectors who have got that in their collection already. So the standard D-shape Aynsley teacup, indent rims, beautifully decorated, gilt detailing all around the handles, rim and pedestal base. Flower basket B204, the very recognisable pattern. There we go with the green crown Aynsley marks. And that sits on the standard saucer, which we've got here, again in beautiful condition. Just look at the glaze reflection on that. Great gilt retention, matching Aynsley B204 China marks. And these trios have, as we've mentioned, the 7.25 inch larger side plate. So in relief with the saucer, you can see just how well that does work with that yellow, almost butterfly wing border detailing, repeating itself in that tiny little pattern around the rims. So a nice option, and of the two, I think I prefer this one just because the way it displays when it's on cabinet display and on the table. So we've got Aynsley flower basket B204, all the measurements, dimensions, pricings, dates and everything you'll need to make a decision as to whether this goes into your collection or not. It's on the website. I think we've got 5 or 6 of these trios with this particular side plate combination going on sale, and we'll try and put a pictorial link taking you directly from YouTube to the website listing for this particular item. Thanks for watching.